Welcome to another episode of Life and Fork. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to break down a lobster to make it a chilled lobster, just a meat only. So stay tuned, I'll be showing you that right away.
Yeah. Whenever you rap, it's embarrassing. I blow through the shit like a terrorist. I'm puffing and J's on the terraces.
Alright, so first we're going to grab the lobster. We're going to take off the claws. Pretty simple. I usually use a towel. Just take them off, set them aside. Next, you're going to grab the tail, push it down flat. Same thing, grab your towel, turn. Now you got everything separated, body, tail. Now for tail, take your knife, right down the middle. You scoop out the meat, set aside, shell goes to your right. This is going to be used for later on. Always take off whatever you see of the guts. These are a little bit trickier. So what you're going to do is take the claw, crack in half, remove from the knuckle. Now when you have the claw, and grab it with the finger, twist, pull out sideways. Same thing with the second one, pull out sideways. Now you're going to take the towel, put it over, grab a meat hammer, pull out the meat. So there you go. Now from these two, you're going to put them down. Same thing, right over the top. Crack, crack. Take a knife. Go right down the middle. Pull the meat out, set aside. There you go. That's the meat of a 1.5 pound lobster. So there you go, that's an easy way to break down a lobster. These have been butter poached, so make sure you check out that episode where I did butter poached lobster so you can see how I cooked it. But this shows you how to break it down. I use this chilled lobster for a lot of things, appetizers, salad, so there's a lot of options for you to use. As always, don't forget to hit subscribe. A new video drops every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday right now. Follow me at Chef Jesse Q on Instagram, Chef Jesse Q on Twitter, Chef Jesse Q on Facebook. Until next time, take it easy. Bye.